Okay, hello Aries. So, ang gagawin natin pagbasa ngayon is para sa iyong 22 to 31, no? Within next 10 days, what is gonna happen sa iyo, kung anong parating sa iyo, no? Okay, so I just gonna cleanse our deck here. Holy good angel, come. Stay for me from the sessions and light. Minsan mo rin po ang espasyo ng Aries. Bigyan mo po sila ng kaliwanagan. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Ayan, I think nag-freeze tayo. Let me check po Ayan, sige tuloy pa rin natin kahit nag-freeze tayo kanina. Pero don't worry, we cleanse it already. Nag-cleanse na po tayo. So titignan natin kung anong paparating sa'yo, sa love life mo, sa career mo, kung ano man ang makita natin. This is within your next 10 days, no? So tignan nga natin kung anong energy. Okay, Spirit Guide, what is coming? Ano pong paparating kay Aries? Aries, a shock, a sudden change. Ayan, makaka-receive ka daw Aries ng shocking news. And positive 'to kasi maso-surprise ka, 'no? At makikita mo rin yung parang there's a transformations going on sa'yo, 'no? I think you're aligning, 'no? Nag-a-align ka. Tell us more, Spirit Guide. Para po kay Aries, within the next 10 days. Ayan, not today daw. So titingnan natin kung anong message ng not today. Parang hurt, avoiding conversations, not dealing, still upset, boundaries. So we'll see this kung ano to, no? Kumbaga, not today means na it's not yet time. Ang sabi, put more boundaries. Medyo nakikita natin dito, sabihin din natin na kapag somebody will ask you a date or sabihin natin na if somebody wants you to do this that time na parang nagpi-please sila sa'yo, wag, ibig sabihin, not that time, let's do it next time. Parang ganon ang gagawin mo, no? O mabawa may nag-a-ask ng sagot mo kaagad, Aries. So, ang sasabihin mo muna, "No, not today. Can you give me a time?" Parang gano'n. Ayan, tinuturuan kita para ano, and then set a little bit boundaries, no? Tell us more. Backstabbing, heartbreak, pain. Nako, bakit ganito? Parang I think this is about something sa mga friends mo. You might gonna be experiencing na parang tingin mo kaibigan mo is mabait sa harap mo pero at 'pag nakatalikod ka ibang sinasabi. Parang may nagsisinungaling din sa'yo, 'no? Magugulat ka na lang na medyo parang inattack ka. Parang they make fun of you, 'no? Papayag ka ba niyan, Aries? So, mag-iingat, 'no, sa mga kaya pala. So, if there's any persons na nag-invite sa'yo, 'wag ka nang pumunta. Because I think they are planning something na which is not nice, 'no? So, iwasan. So, for them, 'no? So, parang may magba-backstab sa'yo, eh. Parang merong sala sa init, sala sa lamig na persons na mag-i-invite sa'yo. Kung persons mo man 'yan, kung 'yan yung nanliligaw sa'yo, don't go. Pero you have your own free will. So nakikita ko rito, this coming parang may deception and lies tayong nakikita rito. But that is the part of your ascending process. So, anyway, kung tatanggapin mo man 'yan, that is a learning, expansion din, 'no? Parang maybe that is the end of the cycle na last mong dapat maranasan itong 22 to 31. Nakita natin parang you will learn something from it if somebody na binackstab ka. Something to deal with your social friend, I think, no? So, don't mind them anyway. They cannot, hindi ka nila kayang pabagsakin. Maybe sinisiraan ka, no? Hindi ka nila kayang pabagsakin. So, you don't need to worry. Pero it's very disappointing, no? Okay, let's see. Okay, ano pa po, Spirit Guide? Ayun. Time bumagsak. Let's get one. Any more, Spirit Guide? Para kay Aries. Detachment. So, kailangan mo lang din, yun, pwede rin sabihin na layuan mo na talaga. Kumbaga, you need to detach from them, no? I don't know if this is a social friend or sabihin natin ang persons mo. Pero I think this is a circle of friends na parang parang they are planning something na hindi maganda na ipuput ka in a box. Ayan din siguro yung shocking na sudden shocking na nakikita natin dito. But anyway, let's go. What else coming for Aries from December 22 to 31, Spirit God? What else coming for Aries for December 22 to 31? Uy, anda eh. Oh, you are waiting for something here. Nag-aantay ka. Inaantay. Pag hindi dumating, parang lalayuan mo na. Pag hindi siya kumilos, parang ayaw mo na rin. No? Nakikita natin dito, you value these persons na talagang kinikip mo siya. Talagang parang gusto mo siya. That's why you're valuing him. You're not accepting any manliligaw or mga ano pa umaaligid-aligid sa'yo. You are waiting for these persons na nakikita ko. Na if these persons will not gonna act or say something or hindi siya mag-respond sa'yo, I think you are willing to let it go. Wow, yeah, that is Aries. That is the power of Aries. Ganyan ang mga Aries, malulupit. Okay, tell us more. Tell us more what is coming for Aries. Parang you are in a decisions na nag-aantay ka ng kasagutan. Pero ano, ibig sabihin, kumbaga, you are valuing that, no? Hindi mo talagang, kasi parang siguro nag-invest ka na rin ng energy dyan. No, kumbaga, gusto mo rin yan persons na yan. And you're still waiting for him to decide if he gonna go on to commit or not. And then, you're still waiting here until December 21 to 31. Parang maiinip ka. Hindi ka mainip. Kaya lang parang time is running out. Parang no. Kumbaga, I will not gonna keep on waiting, no? Kumbaga, you are turning your back na nakikita natin, tinatalikuran mo na siya. Parang you're not happy on that ways. So, mamaya babasahin natin yung affirmations mo na sama sa card. What else coming for Aries? What else coming for Aries Spirit Guide? Oh, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Nakikita natin, you may came across dito sa isang gracious and practical, capable na person na nakikita natin is very stable, very hardworking, magaling mangilatis. This might gonna be your energy din. Very strong persons, very grounded, na very capable persons, na parang tingin ko is mukhang you will came across with these persons if this is not your energy. Oh, Aries, I've seen na makakamit ka ng isang very stable, mayaman na tao, no? Nakikita natin parang, hindi ko alam, I think it could be your twin flame din yan, Aries, no? But kung importante po sa inyo ang number 20, no? Or may dapat kayong alalahanin sa 20, let's say December 20 or something na ano, o kahapon, no? So, ibig sabihin po, ngayon, no? So, nakikita natin, you are doing some reflection, self-evaluations at the moment, rebirth. Parang you are gaining new perspective in light. Ayan din siguro yung sudden change na sinasabi ng ating oracle dito, no? O sabihin natin, you might be ngayon pag you close the door with these persons that you are waiting, pag close mo ng door, nakikita ko you're gonna meet someone who is Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo ang energy niya, very stable. Babae man o lalaki, doesn't matter ang gender. No? LGBT mo, it's okay? Tell us more. Mommy, I will clarify that. Tell us more. Oh, I think parang may connections kayo nitong taong ito o may na-meet ka na siguro, no? It's either itong inaantay mo bago 'to. And then itong taong ito, parang siguro nag-i-stalk sa'yo or tinitignan ka. Then may sudden changes sa'yo. The will, parang may one cycle na nag-close sa'yo. If ever na talagang iiwanan mo na 'to, hindi ka na makapag-antay, and you're gonna be meeting these persons, no, talagang revert sa'yo. And this is, maybe magugulat ka na lang na this persons is contacting you, messaging you. Meron kasi nakita mo dito 'no, yung mga angel nagtutulungan to maybe talagang is pushing you to get connected with these persons, kung bakit hindi ka rin makapag-antay sa taong ito. So that is the sudden change na nakikita natin 'no, sa itong December. Parang you are aligning to your higher self din, nag-a-ascend ka. Ibig sabihin, that's why din na-decide mo 'yan 'no? That's why na-decide mo, it's validated na actually, you are preparing for a new union, a new phase. So, ang pagiging pagkawalang gana mo sa persons na 'to, it happened for its reason. Na you are turning your back na sa inaantay mong tao na tine-treasure mo. Parang you're closing the cycle, 'no, nakikita natin. And then magugulat ka nga sa sudden change ng takbo ng love life mo rin. So, you might gonna be meeting this person who is gracious, practical, capable siya. So, that is a renewal and rebirth. You know why ina-ascend ka, ina-align ka, or sabihin natin you have some responsibility din sa taong mamimit mo. This could be a divine connections din ito, or it could be karmic, no? But you are already ascending. Ibig sabihin, sa sitwasyon mo ng 22 to 31, ibig sabihin, there's a sudden change na mangyayari sa love life mo, no? Okay, let's see. Tell us more, Spirit Guide. What is coming for Aries? Ano pa po ang paparating kay Aries? Aries, we've seen here your compassion, perseverance, ang strength mo. Ngayon, nakita ko rito, when I'm gonna be, pag i-connect ko ito, parang ikaw ang magte-tame sa taong ito. Siguro, yes, he is very capable persons, pero parang, siguro karmic cycle din 'to, na dapat i-end, na dapat i-release. It could be also you're dealing with Leo. Nakikita din natin na you are very, itong ano rin is napakaganda ng energy mo, napakalakas ng energy mo, parang lahat they are bowing on you, Aries. Parang lahat is napapaano mo, napapasunod mo. As you could see here, strength. And baka importante po ang number 10 at saka 11 sa inyo. What else coming for Aries? Aries, yeah, maybe one cycle has been ended. Medyo nakita natin, you've been overworking din, na-stress ka rin sa trabaho, so that's make you feel imbalance. But you are staying away on that energy na, no? Kumbaga, everything is done. Ibig sabihin, tapos ng cycle ng paghihirap mo rin. It could be also sa iyong karera, sa trabaho. No? Kumbaga, you've been overworked and stressed din. So, parang it's about time then to gain your energy. No? Ayan. And alam mo ba na sa 2 weeks din na yan, you're gonna be fair sa lahat ng nag-aantay ng mga documents. Expect a positive outcome. And nakikita rin natin fairness, or maybe everything is balanced on you. What you reap, what you sow, parang justice din eh. Kung anong ininvest mo, yan din ang aanihin mo. But we've been seeing here a positive outcome. Something is about to reveal sa'yo, no? Na nakita natin. And take note the number 8 din po, no? Tell us more. What is gonna happen to Aries? What is going to happen to Aries? Aries, sa trabaho nakikita natin, parang medyo sasakit ang loob mo. Nakikita din natin medyo madi-disappoint ka sa isang, parang I could feel this because we're doing now sa career. Para may disappointment ka, meron bang unfinished business or sabihin natin, merong nag-disappoint sa'yo, pinagkaisahan ka, parang ganon. That is three of air, parang medyo you really feel disappointed and broken heart. O maybe sabihin din natin, ang persons na gusto mo, katrabaho mo. But you don't need to worry kasi andyan ang world. You got that two world already, oh. No? Ibig sabihin, that cycle kailangan mo maramdaman ang sorry na to find justice. Kailangan mo maramdaman ang sakit na to, no? Para matapos na, kumbaga, end of the cycles. Kumbaga, para accomplish na, ang sabi rito. No, yang sorrow din, sabihin natin, no? Tapos na rin yung sorrow mo kasi 10 of fire din dito, na you're carrying all the burden, but you gonna seek justice. Kita mo ano ka, you're gonna have something, no? Kumbaga, it's about your time na sabihin you are already in-end mo na ang mga hardship, disappointment, because you have a new beginning here. As you could see, the accomplishment na dapat mong mag-celebrate, no? If you have 21 then, the world dito yung parang something you already done. Ibig sabihin niya mga hardship na to, no? Is parang new ano na yan. Kumbaga, new path na ang dadaanan mo na hindi ka na makakaramdam ng sorrow. Mapapansin mo rin na somebody asking you forgiveness also dito, Aries. No? So, what else gonna happen? Medyo nagja-juggling ka sa trabaho, double work ba? Ayan. Yeah, just to find balance. Nakikita natin balance naman ang career mo at financial, hindi ka na uubusan. Nakikita natin windfall of abundance is about to come sa'yo. Maybe you will gonna have some promotions or sabihin natin may salary rise ka, Aries, or sabihin natin madadagdagan ang financial mo, very positive kasi nga that is through your hard work din. Nakikita natin dito na you are actually doing some 2 part-time job yata na I could feel. And somebody wants to communicate with you then, no? Tell us more. Who's this persons want to communicate kay Aries? Tignan sino gustong, isang Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo din. I think parang this something to do sa job offer, or sabihin natin, baka magkaroon ka ng raise o mapopromote ka. You need to actually grab this opportunity. Or some of you naman is, merong makaka-receive ng communications through sa mga in-applyan yung school, no? Parang tanggap ka, no? Parang tanggap ka sa trabahong iyan, tanggap ka sa interview. This is positive, nakita natin. So, be cheerful and rise your energy. Ibig sabihin, always have faith at maging ano ka, no? Maging high energy ka rin dito, nak, no? So, titingnan pa natin ang message sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung anong message at wait, tingnan pa natin kung anong paparating sa'yo, Aries. Okay, what is coming for Aries? What is coming for Aries? Ano pa ang paparating kay Aries? Aries, ano pa bang paparating sa'yo, Aries? Ayan. Ayan, talagang mayroong parang snake. Parang mayroong mag-aano sa'yo na. Parang may magse-set up sa'yo. Kaya nga not today, do not accept that invitation siguro. Because somebody will gonna backstab you. No? Tell us more. Ano pa ang paparating kay Aries? Ano pa ang paparating kay Aries? Talagang may enemy ka. May enemy ka sa circle mo. So pay attention on that. Somebody will gonna visit you, may bibisita sa'yo nak dito, no? Very importanteng tao sa'yo. I could also see here, my officer akong nakikita rito. But you have a transformation. Parang may nakikita tayo dito, parang judge again, no? This is about the law na nakita natin. Ah, if I were you, do not stick with that backstabbing people. Maging ano ka, maging full aware ka. Parang may makakausap kang isang law enforcer. So, this could be also sa mga drive, no? Mag-drive ka ng safely rin. Ibig sabihin, baka mahuli ka. Or sabihin natin, baka magkaroon ka ng penalty sa pagdadrive mo. Do not overspeeding. But I've seen her transformations is about to come. Parang you still have the judge rito. Parang may nakikita ko na magkakaroon ng incident na, halimbawa, baka nag-illegal parking ka and you're gonna be talking sa isang officer. But the judge will understand that if you reason out. Kasi may nakikita tayo ditong judge din. No? Some of you nagsiserve din nagsiserve din ng kanyang sentence na sabihin natin, andyan yung na mukhang matatapos na. Asahan mo may panibagong hope because we have here the transformations which is the death. Yung mga sabihin natin, offer ng sentence niya na halimbawa maglinis ng corridor, maglinis ng toilet, parang matatapos na. Or some of you na parang nakulong na matatapos na, may bagong new sa'yo, may bagong new find out dito ako nakikita. No? O somebody, kung asawa niyo yan or kung kapatid niyo yan, parang may nakikita tayo dito na magkakaroon ng panibagong decisions ang korte. No? Ayan. So, ito raw, change daw, Aries. No? 555. Change happen outside your comfort zone. So, the time for change is now. The angel are whispering for your trust, your faith, to learn how to walk it. Take the next step. Allow change to lift you up and guide you forward. So, ito ang gawin mong affirmations na laging lumalabas ang 555 ngayon. No? I release all that no longer serves me as I'm guided to move outside of my comfort zone and let change. Ibig sabihin, you are ascending. Hindi ka na natatakot sa mga pagbabagong darating sa buhay mo. No? Dahil deep within you na it's good for a change din. Dahil alam mong ginagabayan ka ng iyong mga gabay. No? Okay, thank you so much, Aris. I hope this will gonna be helpful sa'yo at maging guidance mo, no? And thank you so much. Merry Christmas po and Happy New Year. Maraming salamat sa nag-like and hype sa ating mga video. At marami rin pong salamat sa mga nag-share. Thank you so much po at sa mga nagdo-donate. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Merry Christmas po and a Happy New Year. Ayan, Aris. Yeah, this is for you, Aris.